Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, where we explore the smartest AI tools to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the top AI cleaning assistants that help busy households stay organized, save time, and simplify chores like never before. Let's get started. Clean AI offers a sophisticated AI-driven approach to household cleaning that combines automation, personalization, and actionable insights. The app allows users to take a photograph of any room, and the AI interprets the image to generate a detailed, room-specific cleaning plan tailored to the actual conditions of the space. This functionality enables households to receive precise suggestions for tasks such as vacuuming, dusting, or decluttering, along with estimated times for each activity, ensuring efficient use of effort. Clean AI is designed for households of varying sizes, providing support for multiple users so that family members or roommates can assign, track, and complete tasks collaboratively. The interface is highly visual and intuitive, making it easy to monitor progress, adjust schedules, and understand daily or weekly responsibilities without confusion. The AI recommendations are adaptive, recalibrating based on changes in the room or household routine, and users can further customize plans to prioritize particular chores or rooms. Integration with reminders and notifications ensures that tasks are completed on time, which is crucial for busy households balancing multiple commitments. Clean AI's pricing model includes a free version with basic features and a premium subscription to unlock advanced capabilities, offering flexibility for users with different needs and budgets. User reviews highlight its effectiveness in reducing cleaning time, organizing chores intelligently, and simplifying household management. While some regional features, such as push notifications, may need verification for optimal functionality in locations like Nairobi, Clean AI remains a robust choice for households seeking a highly intelligent, AI-assisted cleaning solution that minimizes manual planning and maximizes efficiency. Sweepy presents a complementary approach to household cleaning by emphasizing gamification, task management, and collaborative scheduling. Unlike Clean AI, Sweepy does not rely on advanced AI-based room analysis, but instead focuses on intelligently organizing preloaded and custom task lists according to the user's available time, energy, and preferred effort levels. Its user interface is clean, straightforward, and highly visual, allowing users to tick off tasks and monitor progress at a glance. Sweepy enables households to assign chores to multiple users, making it suitable for families or shared living spaces, while also incorporating gamification features, such as leaderboards and point systems, to motivate participation and maintain engagement. Users can customize tasks, set recurrent schedules for daily, weekly, or monthly chores, and share responsibilities among household members. Notifications and reminders are built into the app to support routine adherence and habit formation. Sweepy offers a free version with core features and an optional premium subscription for advanced scheduling and multi-user capabilities. Users appreciate its simplicity, engagement, and motivational features, which make cleaning less burdensome and more interactive, particularly for households that thrive on shared accountability and visual progress tracking. This combination of gamification and task management positions Sweepy as an ideal choice for users seeking a collaborative, easy-to-use cleaning assistant that emphasizes engagement over AI-driven automation. Betidy expands on the idea of household management by combining cleaning schedules with broader home organization and decluttering capabilities. The app allows users to create room-specific tasks, establish recurring chores, and manage organizational projects beyond routine cleaning, such as decluttering closets or organizing storage spaces. Betidy supports multiple users, enabling family members or roommates to share responsibilities effectively, and integrates gamification elements, such as points and ranking systems, to encourage participation and accountability. While it does not incorporate AI for automatic task generation or room analysis, Betidy's flexible interface and extensive customization options allow users to design schedules and workflows that fit the unique needs of their household. Users can assign priority levels to tasks, add new chores, and adjust frequency according to personal preferences. The app supports notifications and reminders to promote consistency and habit formation, and offers a free tier for basic functionality, with premium subscription plans unlocking advanced features like additional templates, expanded collaboration tools, and enhanced project tracking. User feedback highlights the reliability of Betidy in helping maintain organized and clean spaces, particularly for households with multiple members or those balancing cleaning with other responsibilities. Its web-based and globally accessible platform ensures usability across regions, making it a practical solution for households in various locales. including Nairobi. Overall, Vitaidi offers a flexible and comprehensive approach to cleaning and home management, making it suitable for users who want both structure and adaptability in organizing their household chores. Home Tasker takes a balanced approach by combining automation, AI recommendations, and extensive customization to manage household chores efficiently. The app provides a library of preset tasks and templates, but also allows users to generate fully customized cleaning routines tailored to their home layout and personal preferences. One of its standout features is the AI-powered Room Scan, which evaluates the conditions of a room and suggests specific tasks to optimize cleaning efficiency. Home Tasker supports recurring chores, task assignments to multiple household members, and detailed tracking of completion, making it ideal for families or shared living environments. The user interface is designed to be simple and intuitive, allowing for quick setup, easy editing of tasks, and clear visualization of progress over time. Notifications and reminders help maintain consistency, ensuring that chores are completed according to schedule, which is particularly valuable for households with busy routines. The app is free to download, with most core features available at no cost, while some advanced functionalities may require a premium subscription. User reviews emphasize Home Tasker's effectiveness in organizing tasks, improving household efficiency, and supporting collaborative cleaning efforts, with minor issues limited to occasional widget or notification quirks. Its availability on Android and iOS ensures that it is accessible to households in diverse regions, including Nairobi, while still providing sufficient adaptability to fit a variety of domestic situations. Home Tasker effectively bridges the gap between AI-driven planning and flexible, user control management, offering a comprehensive solution for maintaining household cleanliness. Housy provides a simplified and motivational approach to household cleaning by automating schedule creation and facilitating task assignment in a collaborative environment. Users select the rooms in their household, and Housy generates an automatic cleaning schedule that can be customized with additional tasks and varied recurrence patterns. A unique feature of Housy is its points and challenge system, which incentivizes household members to participate consistently and compete in a lighthearted way. The app's interface is designed for ease of use, allowing users to quickly navigate tasks, track completion, and maintain daily or weekly routines without complexity. Although Housy does not leverage AI for room analysis or task recommendations, it emphasizes collaboration and engagement, allowing family members or roommates to share chores efficiently. Notifications ensure that users stay on track, reinforcing consistency in completing tasks. Housy is free to download and does not display ads, making it accessible to households of all sizes and financial means. User reviews highlight its ease of use, reliability, and motivational features, while noting that more advanced integrations, such as smart home connectivity, are not included. Its global availability makes it usable in Kenya and other regions, with the caveat that notification syncing should be verified for local time zones. Overall, Housy is an excellent choice for households seeking a simple, collaborative, and engaging tool to maintain cleaning routines. My Chores focuses on family collaboration and gamification, allowing users to create recurring chores, assign tasks to multiple household members, and track completion using points, badges, and leaderboards. The app is designed to be easy to use and to foster engagement, making it particularly suitable for families with children or shared living arrangements. While it does not employ AI for automated task recommendations or room-specific analysis, My Chores offers flexibility in scheduling and task assignment, supporting recurring and ad hoc chores. Integration and notification details are less clearly documented, so users may need to monitor consistency in reminders to ensure adherence to schedules. Pricing and subscription information is limited, suggesting that the app is likely free or operates on a freemium model, but this requires confirmation. Despite the limited data, the collaborative and gamified features make My Chores a useful tool for reinforcing shared responsibility and participation in household chores. Its global accessibility ensures that it can function in diverse regions, including Nairobi, although users should test performance on their devices and with their local internet connectivity. My Chores offers a more social, community-oriented approach to cleaning management, providing engagement and accountability through game-like features. Chorepools currently lacks sufficient publicly available information to evaluate its capabilities, user interface, AI integration, customization options, notifications, collaboration features, pricing, or reliability. Because there are no verified reviews, App Store listings, or detailed descriptions, it is difficult to assess its effectiveness or recommend it with confidence. Without credible information on its performance or feature set, Chore should be treated cautiously and considered experimental if attempted. Households seeking dependable, feature-rich, and well-supported cleaning management tools are better served by options such as Clean AI, Sweepy, Tidy, Home Tasker, Housy, and My Chores, which provide verified functionality, reliable performance, and documented user satisfaction. Chore may offer unique features if explored, but due to the absence of confirmed details, it cannot be recommended as a primary solution for maintaining household cleaning routines. Thanks for watching Bite-Sized Future. If you found this guide to AI cleaning tools helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our quick, future-ready tech tips. See you in the next video.